Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a user off your PlayStation 5 Pro. So this is simple on the home screen here. Let's go up to the top, go to Settings, and scroll on down, and go to where it says Users and Accounts. Then at the bottom, we can see where it says Delete Users. So I got like all these different accounts on my PlayStation that I made. Most of them are just random accounts. So I want to go to one, maybe like Timbo Slice 4, and select it, and then go to Yes to delete. Now, if you delete them, their saved data, screenshots, and video clips will also be deleted from my PlayStation 5. Are you sure you want to go ahead and delete? Let's go on over to Yes and completely remove them. So I got to close my games and apps in the background. And Timbo Slice number 4 has been deleted from my PlayStation 5 Pro. So I wasn't able to remember the password for it anyway, so just go ahead and delete it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.